Everyone knows how to create stories and images with AI, but when it comes to turning those images into videos, the whole system seems to fail. Why? Because there's no good free tool available. Even if you find one, the video doesn't generate properly, takes forever to process, has terrible quality, comes with a watermark, and worst of all, you run out of credits after making just 1 or 2 videos. At that point, you feel like giving up, but you don't need to give up anymore. In this video, you'll learn how to write the perfect prompt for converting images to videos and discover 3 premium AI tools that let you create high-quality, watermark-free, professional-level videos quickly and without limits. Plus, I'll show you how to create unlimited free accounts on Runway ML. So watch this video until the end, or you'll keep making the same mistakes, and the easiest path will slip right through your fingers. First, you need to learn how to write a prompt to convert your image into a video. When we try to turn an image into a video by using a generic image prompt or just writing a couple of random lines, the result is nothing like what we expected. That's because we didn't clearly tell the AI what kind of video we want. So the first step is to master writing prompts for image to video conversion. To do this, go to ChatGPT and type, "I'll give you a few lines. Generate an image to video prompt based on those lines." This way, ChatGPT will understand that it needs to create an image to video prompt based on your input. Next, go to your image and decide what kind of video you want to create based on the story. For example, I have an image of a king on a horse. I'll show you how to generate a prompt for it. Let's say I want the king and horse to move forward in the image. So I'll go to ChatGPT and type, "A king on a horse moving toward a forest." Instantly, you'll get a prompt. If you want to add or change something, just describe it, and you'll get the updated prompt. When you generate videos using a well-crafted prompt, you'll get exactly the results you want. Now that you understand how to create prompts, let's move to the first website where we'll go through the entire process of converting an image to a video step by step. The links to all the websites I mentioned will be in the description. First, go to the site and click on Launch App. A sign-up page will open. Click on Sign Up. You'll need to create an account using a temporary email. Go to a Temp Mail site, copy an email address, and paste it into the email section on the sign-up page. Then click Sign Up again. An OTP, one-time password, will be sent to your Tempmail. Go back to the Tempmail site, copy the code, and paste it into the sign-up page. In a few seconds, an interface will open where you'll need to set a username. Choose one of the options provided, skip the other 2, and click Done. If you get a username error, add your name followed by a 7 or 8-digit number, then click Done. In a few seconds, your account will be created successfully, and you'll get 1,000 free credits to generate videos. To generate a video, click on the Video Generate option, then select Image to Video. Upload the image you want to convert into a video. Next, enter the prompt for the kind of video you want. The aspect ratio will automatically adjust based on your image size. Then, select the model you want to use for generating the video. I recommend using the Kling Pro model for the best results. Click Generate and wait for a bit. A pop-up will appear. Click View Generation. It will take you to the page where the video is being generated. In about 2 to 3 minutes, your video will be ready. Look, my video is generated. It took about 3 minutes. Let's play the video and see how it turned out. Wow, it's an amazing video. There's no watermark, and if the video isn't what you wanted, you can regenerate it. Download the video from here. To create another video, click on AI Video, follow the same process, and generate a new one. With one account, you can generate 2 videos, but the best part is you can create as many accounts as you want daily and generate unlimited videos. If Tempmail stops working in the future, use the email method I'll share later. Now that we've learned how to make videos on the first site, let's move to the second website. Before that, turn on a VPN. Then, go to the site and click Create Now. An interface will appear. To create a video, you first need to make an account. Click Sign In, then select Continue with Email. Click Sign Up, go to a Tempmail site, copy an email, and paste it into the email field. Then click Continue. An OTP will be sent to your email. Go back to the Tempmail site, copy the code, and paste it here. Next, select a date of birth, 18 or older. Then click Next. A pop-up will appear. Just click OK to close it. Once the account is created, you'll get 120 credits. The amount may vary by country. If you want to unlock unlimited credits on Dreamina AI, click the pop-up to watch our detailed guide or visit our channel directly to check out the video if you haven't seen it yet. And don't leave me alone. Hit the subscribe button over there. Let's keep going. To create a video, click on AI Video, then upload the image you want to convert. Enter the prompt for the video you want to create. Select Video 3.0 as the model. Leave the default settings as they are and choose the video duration. Click Generate, and in a few seconds, the video will start generating. A timer will show how long it'll take. The more people generating videos, the longer it might take. Sometimes it's quick, sometimes it takes a bit. Once the video is generated, play it to check it out. It's fantastic. To download, click the download icon. The video will have a watermark, but I'll show you how to remove it later. To generate another video, delete the previous image and prompt, upload a new image. Enter a new prompt, keep the settings the same, and generate again. You can create 2 videos per account and make as many accounts as you want with Tempmail. Now that we've learned how to make videos on 2 sites, let's move to the third and newest AI platform launched by Google itself. Before going to the third site, disconnect your VPN. Go to Google AI Studio and your account will automatically be created with the email you use to access the site. To generate an image to video, click Generate Media, then select VEO. An interface will appear. Select VEO2 as the model, set the number of results to 1, choose the aspect ratio for your video, and select the video duration. Upload your image. The first time, you'll need to allow a Google Drive access. Then, enter the prompt for the video you want. Click Run, and the video will start generating. There might be an issue where it shows failed, because many people are generating videos simultaneously. Don't worry, just keep clicking Run until the video generates. It might work on the first try, or it could take 10 or 20 tries, but it will generate eventually. If it still doesn't work after many attempts, try again after a few hours or use another account. My video is ready. Let's check it out. Wow, it's an incredible high-quality video with no watermark. Download it from here. Repeat the same process to create more videos. There's no credit system here. Google launched this to let users generate videos for free and help improve their upcoming video models. Now that we've learned how to make videos with 3 different tools, let me show you how to create unlimited free accounts on Runway ML. Go to the Runway ML website and click Get Started. Then sign up for free. Open a new tab and go to an email site to create an email. Enter your name as the username. Add a 4 or 5-digit number, select a domain, and click the green icon to create the email. Copy the email, go back to Runway ML, and paste it into the email field. Click Next, then enter a username and password fields. Click Next, enter a first and last name, and click Create Account. An OTP will be sent to your email. Go back to the email site, copy the OTP, and paste it into Runway ML. Click Validate, then skip or close any pop-ups. Your account will be created successfully. To generate a video, click Go to Dashboard, scroll down, and click Use Image to Video. You'll get 125 credits, and one video costs 25 credits. You already know how to generate videos, so go ahead and create one. Now, let's talk about removing watermarks from videos generated on the second site. For this, we'll use another premium tool. Go to media.io and click Login, then Create Account. Use any fake email to create an account. No OTP is required. Once the account is created, click AI Products, select AI Video, and then click Video Watermark Remover. Click Remove Watermark now, upload the video with the watermark, adjust the brush size, and paint over the watermark area. Click Remove Object now, and the watermark will be removed in a few seconds. Play the video to confirm no watermark. You can remove watermarks from 5 videos per account. So, that's the easiest way to create videos from images, from writing prompts to generating videos, removing watermarks, and creating unlimited free accounts on Runway ML.